Hey friends, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Today's video I will be reviewing the newest product of the Kody29 Chinese stir-fry multi-cooker. I'm absolutely obsessed with this product. It not only cooks Chinese dishes, but it's also a multifunctional robot that is completed with 21 cooking functions and has over 1400 recipes for you to choose from, both locally and internationally. So you can never go bored. And as I said before, it is a cooking robot, so it literally does everything for you. It cooks, it cleans itself, that's one, and the meals are so easy to prepare and choose from, ranging from easy, medium, all the way to hard. So even if you're a beginner and you've never cooked a day in your life, you can definitely use this to cook a 5-course meal, have your personal chef on hand without the hassle. I'm sure your significant other or yourself will be pleasantly surprised. It'll taste like you paid $1 million for the meal or had somebody, a professional chef, came in and prepared the meal for you thanks to this. And not only that, this robot literally does everything. So you can toss out your other big bulky appliances and leave this one to do it. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box and all the details to the product in today's video. You can go in and check it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the product and tell you more in details about it. Nicknamed as Kody29, this product is fully named as Kody29, the Chinese multi-cooker. Stir-fry robot that is expert at cooking Chinese cuisine. So whether you are skilled in cooking or not, all you have to do is put the ingredients in and wait for the delicacies to be served. How simple is that? It really does everything for you, and it cleans itself. The product is also compatible with a app that you can download on your phone and you can use it simultaneously. So you can choose to use the machine from your phone or directly from the touchpad that's on the device. So along with the Kody29 cooking robot, you also get a bunch of different accessories to make your cooking needs easier. You get a spatula made of really great quality, you get a strainer, you get a cleaning brush to have the machine self-clean itself. You also get a butterfly whisk. You also receive a kneading blade for kneading dough, and you get a multifunctional blade that can be used to prepare a variety of different meals. You also receive 3 measuring spoons. You get a stir-frying blade. The Kody29 comes with a measuring cup on top of it and the strainer. The strainer base is easy to set up. It also comes with a built-in scale for measuring your ingredients. It is easy to use and it's a safety lock on the top for easy opening. So you just press that button and you rotate it in the opposite direction and it unlocks. You also get this deep frying basket. So it shows you the max amount you can put on it. The screen can be adjusted and it easily goes down by pressing that button right there. The screen is also touchscreen. Download the app and sync it to your device and you'll be able to control the device from your phone. As you can see, you have DIY functions, you have the deep cleaning and regular cleaning option. You have tons of recipes to choose from the screen. You can deep fry, you can fry, you can choose local international cuisine or authentic Chinese cuisine. As I mentioned before, the scales. You also have, you can go in the app and add all your favorite recipes to favorites and makes it easier to cook. It also comes with the silicone stuff at the bottom to keep the machine from moving so it stays safely in place. Switching in between blades is super easy. You just remove the black thing from the bottom and you just twist it, pull it out and change the blade that you want to and reconnect back everything. The blades are extremely sharp, so please be careful when doing this, and it's recommended that you do it on the side just so that the blade won't fall. Now it's time to prepare my meal, and I'm just going to go to favorites and select the meal that I want to prepare. As I said before, you can go in the app and select your favorite meal, and I'm doing the stir-fried chicken breast. It only takes a couple of minutes, so this one is really easy, a really easy meal to prepare, and not a ton of ingredients. All the ingredients is listed that you'll need to get if you don't already have them on hand. And I'm using a scale because at the time I didn't know that the machine itself weighs the items for you. So if you don't have a scale, not to worry, the machine itself weighs the items, as I said before. So you can definitely do it that way. Once you put each ingredient in the bowl, it will tell you how much it weighs. So you won't put any additional ingredients in. And the machine works so fast, it literally takes 5 seconds to heat up oil, and it literally takes 5 minutes to complete a quick stir fry. Like, you can restore traditional heat, 10 speeds, and automatic gear shift. You can also adjust the temperature and stuff. It's just simply amazing. One of my absolute favorite thing about the app is that you can choose from a variety of different categories. So they have categories ranging from postpartum, toddlers, babies, for weight loss, you name it, they have it. So you can go in between and choose the meal to suit your need. Also, my favorite thing about it is if you're on a weight loss journey and you're trying to watch calories and stuff that you eat, this does it for you. It tells you all the nutritional values and facts. So it tells you how much calories, vitamins, and minerals that's in each meal, so you know what to do. You can modify it to suit your need, and it cleans itself within 1 minute. Like, literally deep cleans itself within a minute, so you don't have to do that and just rinse it out. You just add your soap, add the amount of water, and start the deep cleaning process, or the regular cleaning. Just rinse the soap out, and that's it. I hate doing dishes, so this is amazing. You can use this thing to deep fry. You can use it to make smoothies. You can use it to make ice cream. Though that's my favorite. I get to eat homemade ice cream, and it tastes delicious, and it's so easy to make. And I know all the ingredients that goes into it, so I don't have to be second guessing. And the food tastes amazing. Like, it tastes really authentic, and you can modify the ingredients as you please. Everything tasted absolutely amazing. I love it. I love all the flavors. I just love how authentic it is. I love Chinese food, so this is seriously the best. And my favorite thing to eat from Chinese is the Chinese stir fry, and I just can't wait to prepare that for myself. Like, you get a 5-star meal, full course meal, prepared for yourself. You get higher dishes, competitiveness, you get more flexibility, and you get stronger brand support. So just to sum it up, this Kody29 Chinese stir frying robot is a mastery of stir frying. You get 5 seconds to heat oil and 1 dish in 5 minutes. It's fume free and oil splash free. It's patented stir frying blade and automatic cleaning. It is easy to use. It has a touch panel. It's personalized software design. It has an app remote operation and automatic program update. You get authentic flavor. The food tastes so delicious. I love it, and you would too. They went for a team of famous chefs from all over China, a wide range of recipes including 8 major cuisines, home cooked stir fries, local snacks, famous dishes offered in restaurants, and drinks and desserts. So if you are a Chinese food lover, then look no further. This is the perfect device for you to create amazing meals from scratch, put together by famous chefs. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Also, please do remember to check out the description box for the link to this product and all the details. It also comes with all the accessories. Don't forget to check the link in the description box and go ahead and check them out, guys. You will not be disappointed, and I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it for many meals to come. If you're a food lover like myself, you're definitely going to enjoy the heck out of this product. And as I said before, you don't have to be a cooker. You could be a beginner. There's so many different levels levels to choose from to suit your lifestyle, also your lifestyle and your level of meal prepping. Okay guys, that's it. I love you guys and I cannot wait to see you in my next one.